This is OnTheClock's free scheduling template tool that you can use. You will notice at the bottom we have a couple of different spreadsheet tabs. There's a directions tab on how you would go about filling out each of these spreadsheets. We also have a weekly schedule option as well as a bi-weekly. And then if you need more scheduling options, we do have additional information in there about using OnTheClock for those additional schedule formats. So you will notice in each of these spreadsheets that we have two different schedule types. We have a Sunday start week and then a Monday start week. So just go ahead, choose whichever template you're going to be using. It's going to ask you for the company name, so you can go ahead and fill that out here. And then it's going to ask you to go ahead and double click for the start day of the work week. It's going to go ahead and autofill that for you. And then next step is it's going to ask you for the employee name. And then go ahead and begin filling out the times that the employee is going to be scheduled for. And then you'll notice that it's going to go ahead and total the number of hours by day, and then it will go ahead and give you a total number of hours for the week. If you have any additional notes, you can go ahead and put them here. And then you can go ahead and go to File, and you can either choose to share, email, or download. Now, there's a couple different download options. You can go ahead and create a PDF for this document, and then from there you can go ahead and send this out to your employees, and they will now have their work week schedule going forward.